Halo semuanya, ini bisnis kali ini saya bikin sukiyaki. Halo semuanya, ini bisnis kali ini saya bikin sukiyaki dalam bentuk kemasan box atau kemasan mentah ya. Ini rasanya enak banget dengan rasa teriyaki serta black pepper yang nampol banget. Cara pembuatannya ini bisa dibikin kuah atau dibikin tanpa kuah dan rasanya enak banget. Yuk langsung kita simak videonya ya.
What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running. Door won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no sleep. Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.